A Human Resources How-To video. How do I get to Safe Schools? Safe Schools is the software system we use to offer state and local mandated annual trainings. The process is to watch a video or multiple videos and complete a quiz verifying that you have understood the content. Log in to the Midway ISD website. Next, click on the staff link. From here, you will look for the Safe Schools link. You may use your network login for Midway ISD. Just remember, do not add at midwayisd.org at the end. Once you're in Safe Schools, you will see all the courses assigned to you in this upper section. In this case, there are multiple videos to watch for this one course and then a quiz at the end. You will also be receiving an email. You can click on this link as well as go through the website. If you are receiving this video is restricted message, it is because you are on the Midway ISD network and some YouTube videos are restricted if you are not signed in to your Midway Google account. If this happens, go to the top of your browser and open a new web page. Type in google.com. Notice here on the right hand side you will need to sign in. So click on the sign in. You will need to use your network login credentials. Notice that now it does not say sign in, it has your initial. So go back to the Safe Schools training, refresh your screen, and you will be able to watch the video with no problem. I completed the course, but it still shows it as incomplete. You must view the video all the way to the end and complete the quiz in order to receive credit. A typical problem is closing the video prior to it running in its entirety. The Human Resources staff will assign the state and local mandated courses to you annually. You may also receive course assignments as the school year progresses depending on specific needs. Thank you for watching.